Elon Musk reveals cheap energy, only $2.21, can be used continuously for 50 years in Texas. Elon Musk is undoubtedly a real marvel. His sharp mind makes even those things possible that most people could only imagine. In fact, somewhere last year, Elon Musk actually applied to the Texas Public Utility Commission to sell energy there and hence mark the beginning of a new era for his company, Tesla. Now fast forward a year later, Musk sincerely claims that he can do it for as little as $2.21, and that too for the next 50 years. Isn't that crazy? Well, hello and welcome back everyone. Today's video will literally cover everything about Elon Musk's claim of providing cheap energy. And we know you're all just as excited as we are, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started. But before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also make sure to stay tuned until the end. Elon Musk appeared as a miracle to help the people in a place like Texas, which consistently struggles with power and energy issues. So in essence, everything began when Texas's power outages became daily newspaper headlines, and Elon Musk jumped on to claim how he can literally provide cheap energy to Texas residents and even help them improve their power grid. But isn't there something weird about the relationship between Elon Musk and electricity? Many people are unaware that Elon Musk's company, Tesla, is a licensed energy provider. In August 2021, it was disclosed through an application filed by Tesla with the Public Utility Commission in California that Tesla intended to sell electricity directly to consumers. Though this came as a surprise to many, many others believed that it was inevitable because Tesla has always dealt with energy. Basically, the Texas grid is cut off from the rest of the country, so there was no way to send power from neighboring states to warm up those who were stranded in the cold during the winters of blackouts. Instead, the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, or ERCOT, a non-profit organization that essentially schedules the flow of energy to more than 25 million Texas homes, is in charge of managing the entire state's system. It was later on revealed that Texas lawmakers and regulators, including the Public Utilities Commission and the Texas Railroad Commission, which is supposed to regulate the oil and gas industry, have allegedly ignored or softened requirements to fix and prevent further vulnerabilities in the state's electric grid, even though power problems have been a major problem in the state. Following previous blackouts, experts even recommended actions including weatherproofing power-generating turbines and buildings with the right insulation and heaters. Even though this issue gained worldwide attention, Elon Musk particularly tweeted about the terrible performance and operation of ERCOT and was undoubtedly opinionated about the constant power outages occurring in Texas amid cold winters. He did, however, take action and applied to take matters into his own hands because he is not someone who will just sit and watch. The proposal came after Tesla began construction on a large battery in Angleton, Texas, which is close to Houston. Through the proposal there, it seeks to connect a 100-megawatt energy storage system to the grid. The application, which was made by Tesla Energy Ventures, a fully owned subsidiary of Tesla, was first covered by Texas Monthly. Tesla eventually made a move into the Texas power market. They even established a company called Tesla Energy Ventures, LLC, which in August 2021 applied to become a retail electricity supplier, REP. Tesla was finally allowed to sell electricity in the ERCOT grid after its application was accepted by the Public Utility Commission of Texas, PUCT, in November 2021. They have added energy storage capability to numerous household solar systems, giving them access to dispersed generation and a wealth of data. Instead of relying solely on large-scale generating, Tesla can now buy electricity from its own consumers and sell it on the grid. They can also sell electricity during periods of supply shortages on the power grid because they have access to distributed energy storage systems, Tesla Powerwalls. In other words, Elon came into the market with a boom and has been succeeding ever since, even though the entire specifics of his new business are still somewhat unknown. However, it seems that the initial strategy is to focus on Tesla's current customers. Tesla has started offering solar panels, batteries, and vehicles with built-in batteries for sale. These elements might even function as a virtual power plant when combined. Tesla has experience with it. The business now operates a virtual power plant in the state of South Australia. A VPP or virtual power plant can function like a traditional power plant by combining several smaller systems with a smart control platform. With the connection of 50,000 residential solar systems, Tesla is already running a project of this kind in South Australia with a total generation capacity of 250 megawatts and a total energy storage capacity of 650,000 kilowatt hours. Tesla would be able to store energy and sell it when electricity rates are high by putting in place a comparable system in Texas. When consumption is strong and there are emergencies, wholesale prices in Texas typically reach their highest value. Those figures might not have an immediate impact, but Musk has stated that he believes energy will play a significant role in Tesla's future. Regarding the company's energy division, which is distinct from the Texas venture, he said to investors last year, "I expect long-term, Tesla Energy will be roughly the same size as Tesla Automotive." Despite all of this, Tesla actually doesn't find it all that difficult to do what it does, especially supplying electricity at such low prices. Tesla has been involved in the power industry in the past year, but they have avoided direct electricity sales. Instead, they have concentrated on offering consumers behind-the-meter solar and storage systems as well as energy storage systems for electric utilities. Tesla can now offer electricity plans to customers who already own their goods. Taking advantage of the established brand familiarity, Tesla is now a great rep in Texas. Solar roof shingles, traditional solar panels, and the steadily gaining popularity of Tesla Powerwall are among Tesla's offerings for the home market. Customers of Tesla frequently use their website and mobile app, which does have great potential. In fact, Tesla is also advancing battery technology as seen by the new 4680 cells. The 4680 cell offers 5 times the storage capacity and 6 times the power of the 2170 cell, according to IEEE Spectrum. Given that the 4680 cell is 5.5 times bigger, this additional capacity gives an electric vehicle a 16% longer range. It's vital to remember that the 4680 cell is not a Tesla-only invention. Also producing the cells are businesses like Panasonic and LG. The tab-free design of the 4680 cells have 2 benefits. It makes production easier and lowers the risk of overheating because the battery has less electrical resistance. The cost of the new cells per kilowatt hour of storage capacity can decrease by 56% in the future. Isn't that great? Elon Musk is also doing every effort within his power to put his ideas into concrete actions and outcomes to give Texas energy at the lowest potential costs. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, to achieve this even moved to Austin, Texas, where the automaker's headquarters have also moved. Tesla has also established a brand new factory there. The Starbase launch facility for SpaceX was already located in Texas. Musk has even been enticing folks to relocate to the Austin, Texas region and submit a job application for Tesla. Additionally, he advised builders to step up their efforts to increase the supply of houses. The Texas electricity grid is deteriorating, but more crucially, Tesla has been working on solutions to help. As of now, Texas has received 81 megapack commercial batteries from Tesla as energy storage. According to Electrek, Tesla intends to continue its assistance efforts and will also introduce residential storage and solar solutions. In fact, the business is currently using Powerwall batteries and solar roofing for new home construction projects in Austin. That appears to be an even better move, as after solar panels are deployed, maintenance expenses are quite minimal when compared to those associated with conventional power-producing methods. Because solar energy does not require fuel, it may generate large volumes of electricity without the danger and expense of ensuring a fuel supply. Ultimately, anything Elon Musk works on must be fantastic. However, things for Texas soon don't appear that awful, especially when it comes to electricity generation. So let's see what else Elon Musk has to provide. Additionally, it doesn't appear as hard as it might sound for him to provide electricity for $2.21 per kilowatt hour for the next 50 years. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment down your opinions, and press the subscribe button. We will see you next time with another interesting video. Till then, take care.